Okay, well, there's a bloke with an echo, sounds dreadful. Right, we will go to Mega Chippie channel. Still on the wrong camcorder. Oh, we've got interference on this. We'll run with our standard replacement mic when the focus comes in. And at the end, we'll test the customer's genuine original. Oh, that's the Rotel mic. I've got that muddled up, haven't I? Anyway, that's the one we'll test. So it is the same mic. Tango 21 test. Roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Roger, got you.
Ready when you are.
Right, I'll just plug my extension speaker in. There we are, I'm plugged in.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house to recording.
Roger and that, I've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
Roger on that.
Has it got mic gain?
Negative, it hasn't.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you on Ancaster Crossroads.
We're now at the top of the hill after clattering through some potholes.
Oh, not more car park.
Yeah, right on the side of the road. I tried to avoid them, but you know, there's traffic coming the other way.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Harvard
420M from 1981 using upper tier Cybernet 134 chassis. The radio's doing a full forward output and on a standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. A bit more noise tonight, and got you loud and clear. Harvard 420M, Cybernet 134 chassis, doing 1.25 amp for full forward output. We're going to go to low power, set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. There we are on 400 milliwatts. The radio's doing 580 milliamps. Go back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger on that. No problems on full power, no real problems on low power.
I'll be well, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, was the battery the way to sort that problem out?
Yes.
Roger.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, the usual 136.9, 144.7.
Right, that works absolutely fine, thank you very much.
Roger that, 1010.
Okay. And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yep, the usual 136.9, 144.7.
Right, that works absolutely fine. Thank you very much.
Roger that,
1010. Right, so we'll go over to our base station. We'll start with that mic, and then we'll go on the factory original made in Japan one. So, as I've said before, the Cybernet 134 chassis used in these is the Cybernet 134 chassis in the Midland 76900 base stations. They're absolutely identical innards.
Tango 21 testing the Harvard 420M with the standard replacement mic. That's at full 4 watts. We'll pop it on low power as a hum test. There we are on low power, back that's 400 milliwatts back to full power. And the idea of that is if there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. Now we're going to do the same with the factory original mic. I'm testing with the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop it on low power. There we're on low power, testing 1, 2, 3. And finally back to full power. Tomorrow we've got a Denita Mark 510 green CPT sets, and then the next day